Hi all, this is Dr. Amla and today's video is all about the preparations we had in the yesterday's class. So we have prepared around 8 to 10 products. I'll be explaining their shelf life and their indications in this video. This side we have the toners which we have prepared and this side we have the oils and these are the creams that we have prepared. So in this you can notice that 2 toners are missing because coconut milk I have used it yesterday. Methi toner was not demonstrated, but I'll be putting the link in the description box for the people who have missed on this. So here we have the apple cider vinegar toner. You have the cucumber aloe vera toner. And here we have the floral mist which is made from jasmine hydrosols and the rose hydrosols. This is our onion hair oil. This is our Nalpamaradi skin lightening oil. And this is our normal hair oil which we prepared. And we have the Mahatiktaka cream which we have prepared and Nalpamaradi cream which we have prepared. The apple cider vinegar toner which we have prepared yesterday, we all know it has just 2 ingredients, that is apple cider vinegar and demineralized water. So the question arising was the proportion. The main purpose of this toner is maintaining the pH of the skin and exfoliation. So the concentration also varies based on the purpose. So if you have a very oily skin, you can have it slightly concentrated, or if you have a very normal skin or a dry skin, you can have the concentration slightly less. So here we have taken 1:4. You can also use 1:8 and 1:10 depending upon the skin type of your customer. To those who find the smell of this vinegar slightly offensive, you can add in a essential oil 5 to 6 drops, and either you can put these in spray bottles like this and spray it, or you can just take them in a clean cotton swab and use it for wiping the face. So this is apple cider vinegar toner. Always make sure that you buy the organic versions of the products. The shelf life of this toner is 6 to 12 months because we have not added anything which is fresh. It has got the shelf life of its ingredients. So cider vinegar ACV has a longer shelf life and you can use that till that much time. The cucumber aloe vera toner, we have used the fresh juices. And to this you can add vitamin E, you can also add glycerin, or you can add a essential oil. I prefer the smell of this natural toner, so I'm not adding any essential oil, but if you want to add it, there is always your discretion to choose the smell you like. So this also has a shelf life if refrigerated up to 1 month. So as mentioned for the ACV toner, this also can be used using a cotton swab or a spray bottle. Now the next one, these all are the facial toners or the skin toners. So we have the floral mist. So here we have used hydrosols of jasmine and rose. You can also use hydrosols of your choice. You get the hydrosols of all the flowers. You get lavender, any lemon, citrus, anything you want, you can add it. You just make sure everything is in the same quantity. And as a humectant, you can add glycerin 5 ml for 100 ml of the toners, and this also is very good for hydration. So those people who have the tendency of getting very dry skin often can use this repeatedly, or you can also use it after cleansing morning and evening once. This also contains only hydrosols. So hydrosols have a shelf life of 6 months to 1 year depending on the quality. So this toner also takes the shelf life of its ingredients. It can go up to 1 year without any preservatives. So this is the toners we have taken for skin. For hair, we have used the methi toner and the coconut milk toner. So because many people had told me they don't know how to prepare coconut milk, I'll be doing a video on that. But otherwise, the coconut milk toner is instantaneous toner. You just have to prepare the milk, add a little bit of vitamin E and then use it. The only thing is you have to make sure it is double filtered. This cannot be stored. That will not have a shelf life even though we add a eco-certified preservative. So it's always better to use them fresh. And for those who don't know, you can get coconut milk only from the fresh coconuts, not the dry coconuts. So this is some of the questions which I've seen in the group and I'm responding based on that. This is the onion oil. This onion hair oil is very good for optimizing your hair growth cycle. It prevents hair fall due to the presence of high antioxidants in this. This also has a shelf life of 6 months. So you can use this. You can even use, some people find the smell a bit offensive, onion smell. So not always you can put this and go out for work. So in that case, you can replace it with the onion extract or adding rosemary oil or some other essential oil, which is giving a nice fragrance to the oil. And this is Nalpamaradi oil which we have prepared yesterday. So many people asked for the reference. For those who have asked the ingredients and the reference of Nalpamaradi, it is in Taila Yoga as mentioned in Sahasra Yoga. It is mainly indicated for Kushta and Visarpa, and we have already seen how you have prepared it. So the shelf life of it is 6 months to 1 year. It depends on how the person uses it and the quality of oil which has gone into it. So essentially, if the oil is used with caution, it will not turn rancid and you can use it up to a year. This is the hair growth oil which we have prepared, and since we have used a lot of Neeli in this, you can see it has got a bluish tinge. So this has got a bluish tinge. It is very good for premature graying and for increasing the hair volume. So as mentioned for these, the oil shelf life will be 6 months to 1 year based on the way you are using it. With this, with the Nalpamaradi you can prepare the Nalpamaradi cream. This Nalpamaradi cream is indicated for dry skin, or it can also be a part of the skincare routine for a normal skin. So this is also without any preservative. You know the ingredients which has gone into it, which is nothing but bee wax, shea butter, almond oil and your Nalpamaradi. You can also add an essential oil, but actually the almond oil smells very good and this cream is having the smell of the almond oil. So you can see that the consistency is also very good and it retains the moisture for a longer period. So for excessively dry skin or for hydration during the winter season, this is a very good option. So this is Nalpamaradi cream which we have prepared, and it has a shelf life of 2 to 3 months. Also make sure you don't use the cream with wet hands, because that can turn the rancidity a little bit faster. So this is Mahatiktaka cream which we have prepared. So Mahatiktaka, you can use Aragvada Mahatiktaka, you can use Aragvada Grita, any Grita of your choice based on the indication at which you want to give. So this is a medicated cream which you want to give as a local application in various conditions. So we can give it in conditions of hyperpigmentation caused due to psoriasis. So as mentioned for this, these both have a shelf life of 2 to 3 months, these toners. This is a toner which if refrigerated can give you a shelf life of 4 weeks. These other two toners will have a shelf life of 1 year, provided you use it cautiously and you don't finish it off. Onion oil, Nalpamaradi oil and hair growth oil. This has a shelf life of 6 months to 1 year depending on your usage, and this also can be used on a daily basis. You can use essential oils for everything of the preparations. It's not a compulsion that you have to use it. You can also skip them if you're okay with the natural smell. The products missing in this is the coconut milk toner, which I think the preparation was very much clear in the yesterday's video. This has to be used instantaneously because it is coconut milk. It can get spoiled even after a couple of hours. Methi toner we have already discussed and we have already seen the video of it. Then there is the green tea body lotion which is missing in this video. I will be doing a separate video for the preparation and the whipping of it, because whipping needs a little bit more pressure that you have to see. I'll also explain another easier method by which you can do this. So the green tea body lotion will be updated in a couple of days. If you have any queries related to this, please do feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will be reverting back. So in the next video, I'll see you with some of the things which is important for hair care, which has to be taken internally or as a part of your diet. See you in the next video. Till then, it's bye from Dr. Amala. Thank you.